Check in the text below and also in the comments. I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link when you do your shopping. Thanks a bunch. Did you know that you could buy fancy little covers for your car key fobs? I did not know that. I visited my son in Austin and he had one that I thought was metal, but it was actually pliable stuff on the key fob that he lent me to drive his car while I was out there. He had a fancy leather one on his. I came back and researched and found this one that has like all these little extra bells and whistles on it. So I thought I will try this and see if it's going to make mine more attractive because it's kind of got some pieces that are falling apart. Manufacturer's information, pretty simple. Guess that's the back. Ring, ring. More rings. And here's the main thing I'm paying for. Alright, let's see if this is going to work on my Mustang fob. I put it on there to test it. I'm not able to get it back off again. I'm trying to pry something up underneath here and I've already scratched it, but it was kind of hard. It was kind of hard to get on here. You slide the whole thing in here. Let's see if I can get it back out. The reason I wanted to get some kind of cover is this is my original key fob and you can see that the little metal trim's coming off. So I wanted to get something to kind of cover it. My hands are greasy with lotion, so I'll have to wipe my fob off when I get everything fixed. But the whole thing just goes down in here, and the whole thing just goes down in here. I just slid it down in here like this. It was a little tight fit, and you probably have better fine motor skills than I do, but I had to use a butter knife to get it popped in there the first time. And then this, the back, comes with no instructions. The back's supposed to be able to pop in somehow, and I'm assuming we just have to work with it and get it in there, be the boss of it, and then it stays in. So now it looks much more attractive. I'm much more secure about those little metal pieces not being able to fall off and snag on things. And let's see if it works on my car. Yep, you can hear it honking, so that means it is working. That's pretty cool. And then all these little extra things just come with it, and you can put what you like through the loop and have a shiny new key fob. So with the cover on the original key fob, this part's pretty thick. So what they've done is provide this, and you can take this little thing out. Yep, and there it goes. So this pulls out, and then you can put it through here. Yeah, I need another set of hands. Put it worse than threading a needle. Put it through there, and they get the little spring and wind it back through there, and it holds it under like that. I dropped the spring on this carpet. What do you think my odds are finding it fast? Slim to none. There it is. It went under the table. See if I can get this back on here. There is a tiny little hole. There's a tiny little hole in there. And this spring has to go back in it. So I'm going to work on that and not film it because I need to be up close. This was the trickiest part. The spring was so tiny and the hole in the little bar was so tiny. I got the smallest screwdriver that I had and tried to pry the little circle spring open, and then maneuvered it onto the little tiny hole on the bar. I've had the key fob now for 2 weeks. I'm completely and totally pleased. Is it? Hallelujah. It's just slick, it's easy, it's nice, it's easy to clean. It just feels better in my hand. I'm very, very happy with it. Alright. Well, that wasn't exactly fun, but now it's on there. Now don't see a way to take this off so you can hook other things to it, and this part is just going to stay attached to the key fob thing, which I'm not really wild about having all that extra weight. But if you're just carrying your keys, you can hook that onto your belt or your purse, or someplace secure. And that's not really attractive. They could have come up with a better way to close that, I think, because it just looks like weird. But that's the way that one closes up. There are other models out there that don't have all these bells and whistles. You just have to try to work a little bit and get those through that part there. Thanks for watching my video about the accessory or dress up for the key fobs. Remember, it's free to give this video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a positive or negative comment for this video. It's free to subscribe to my channel. There should be my head floating around somewhere where you can do that. I'm just on a quest for ways to make our lives more interesting, more efficient, more effective, and maybe a little bit more slick. So if you have time before you go, watch another video, and until we meet again, let's just help each other find ways to make life a little bit better. Bye.